Removing the Naída CI Sound Processor from the AquaCase. Ensure that the AquaCase is towel-dried prior to removing the processor to prevent water from accidentally getting on the processor. To open, unlock the AquaCase by sliding and holding the lock. While engaging the lock, use your fingertips to lift the latch and open the AquaCase. Be careful not to allow water to fall into the AquaCase or on the Naída CI. To remove the Naída CI, carefully slide the processor forward, making sure not to pull up on the processor until the Naída CI is free from the connector. Resume use of the Naída CI UHP cable, UHP, and preferred program.